Welcome to the Southwest Virginia Alliance for Manufacturing's Made in Southwest Virginia podcast, where we aim to educate listeners on the many impacts of manufacturing in Southwest Virginia. Today's episode is part of our ongoing series in which we deep dive into specific companies making worldwide impacts. We often hear there's nothing happening in Southwest Virginia. I've even felt that myself, but as I learned more about Southwest Virginia's manufacturers, I realized that couldn't be further from the truth. Contrary to some perceptions, Southwest Virginia is a hub of innovation and manufacturing, producing world-class products integral to people and companies around the globe. From automotive components to advanced electrical systems, our local manufacturers are driving technological advancements and economic growth on an international scale. Today, we're focusing on a company that has been a cornerstone of industrial ventilation solutions for over 6 decades. Paul's Fan Company, a family-owned business based in Grundy, Virginia, specializing in custom ventilation systems for mining and industrial applications. Let's dive into their history, operations, and what makes this company special. Founded in 1958 by Paul Elswick, Paul's Fan Company has grown from a local enterprise into a global provider of industrial ventilation solutions. With a commitment to quality and innovation, the company has manufactured over 5,000 industrial blowers and fans, serving clients across the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Their product offerings include axial fans, centrifugal fans, portable fans, and emergency hoist systems, catering to industries such as mining, metal processing, and large-scale manufacturing. For the everyday consumer, this means that the air quality and safety in various industrial environments are maintained by the robust ventilation systems produced right here in Southwest Virginia. At their state-of-the-art facility in Grundy, Paul's Fan Company emphasizes precision engineering and customer-centric solutions. The company offers comprehensive services including 24/7 emergency repairs, custom ductwork, alignment services, and project management, ensuring that clients receive end-to-end support for their ventilation needs. In 2022, Paul's Fan Company expanded its operations by inaugurating a new 5-building manufacturing campus at the Southern Gap Industrial Park. This expansion tripled their manufacturing capacity and introduced advanced facilities for sandblasting, painting, and final assembly, reflecting their dedication to meeting the growing demands of the industry. Beyond their technical expertise, Paul's Fan Company is known for its unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. Clients like Suncoke Energy and Hopedale Mining have praised the company for their professionalism, responsiveness, and high-quality workmanship. Their reputation for fixing the unfixable has made them a trusted partner in the mining industry, with owner Todd Elswick recently featured in North American Mining Magazine as a leading ventilation expert. If you'd like to learn more about Paul's Fan Company and their range of ventilation solutions, check the show notes or visit their website at paulsfans.com. That's it for today's episode of Made in Southwest Virginia. Join us next time as we continue to highlight the innovative spirit of Southwest Virginia's manufacturing sector. Until then,